So first things first, these need to come off. Okay, so with the bike lifted up, you want to, we're going to actually set the gear to 6th gear. So that it's easiest to turn. Oh, and by the way, you have to remove these spark plug tubes or the wires prior to this. So for these ones, let me see here if I'm recording correct. Okay, there's these retaining clips or whatever on here. From what I see, you just use a screwdriver and yeah, they just pop out. So these the push rods are going to be cut. We're gonna pop off all 4 here. Pop all 4 clips off. So we're just gonna bolt cut them. The reason being is if not, you have to remove the whole head. So to slide them out, and it's like, oh, that looks like a pain in the ass. So basically just bolt cut them. But before we bolt cut them, we gotta get the engine at the right spot. So actually what you do is you feel it out. And basically it's where both are doing this, where both push rods are going up and down at the same time, like, because then there's one part of the engine where it's only doing one, and then it'll do the other one, and then there's one where it does both. I believe that's how it works. So we gotta get them to where they're both moving up and down, and I guess that's the top or the bottom, either or. It's where there's no more tension on these, so when you cut them, they won't want to spring out. Hey, so I skipped a step earlier. Actually remove the spark plugs. Remove them all the way. It helps to turn the wheel easier, apparently. So I skipped that step. So now we'll see if this will spin here. In the video, he makes like these pretty neat just ways to hold them, to hold these covers up. He just puts a paper clip and he ties them up here with a rubber band, puts them on the bolt here. And I'm gonna try and feel them out here. Oh yeah, you can feel. It's a lot easier once you remove the spark plugs. So what I'm gonna do, actually, is mark these guys so I can look at them and see if you can see it. They both move right there. You see that? Okay. I think that's where you have to be when you cut them. Okay guys, so here's the moment of truth. What we have to do is cut them. Hopefully these bolt cutters are strong enough. If not, I have to get a bigger one. Yeah, this would be a lot easier. We could just Dremel it out, but then you're left with a lot of trash inside of the cam chest, all the shavings and stuff. So there, my worry was that it was gonna, so if you don't have it in the right spot, the compression will try to shoot them out. So see, then that way they can just slide out. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, next one. These bolt cutters are pretty small, so that's pretty hard. That was maximum effort right there. Push rods off. So now we're going to remove these cam cover screws, bolts. Okay, so I'm gonna loosen these guys up. Hopefully they don't, none of them are on too tight or whatever. Here, I'm gonna crisscross them a bit here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always losing shit. As I'm working on the bike, I'm always losing like the socket. Like I just used it and it fucking disappears. Or these extenders. I never put them back where they belong, so I'm like, wait, where did I leave it? Like on the floor, fucking the other side. Fucking really? Alright, that is all of them. Not sure. Oh, never mind. We missed one guy. Fucking points cover's all loose. Alright, so this bitch is on there, so I'm gonna try to like loosen it up a bit. Holy shit, this fucking bitch is on there. Oh, got it. Broke the fucking seal. Now, hopefully we can get all the oil. Yeah. Catch that shit. Gonna have a fucking mess here because I don't have an actual pan, but it is what it is. Come on, fuck me. Get on the fucking oil pan. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so there we go. I believe the next step is to remove these guys. Now that that's off, we're gonna lower the bike again so that the rear wheel is locked, so that we can take these nuts off. I believe they sell a tool. It goes right in there and avoids dropping it, but I mean, you just have to drop the bike again. It's not the end of the world. We'll take that shit off. Let's see. Hopefully these aren't too tight. See there? The engine wants to turn, but now it's the wheel is locking it, keeping it from spinning. Alright, my battery fucking died. This is the struggles of trying to be mechanics and then simultaneously recording all this. Gotta wiggle these out. And I wasn't recording. I'm taking this off so I can remove the lifters. I accidentally didn't lock the lifters in place, and when I removed the cam plate, they fell. And now the cam plate's stuck because the lifters are keeping it from coming out. So now I'm taking them. I'm gonna try to take the lifters out from the top. That way, the cam plate didn't come off. This would have been easier if I would have locked them in place. But oh well. See? I wasn't recording because I fucking dumbass forgot to press record. These guys are a pain in the ass to take off, by the way. This is so close to the fins, like you can't get good rotation. And you can't use a socket in here, which would be nice. Okay, let me see if I can use the ball end. Maybe spin it a little easier. Alright, out. Jesus Christ, man. Everything is like so tight. Getting it off has to be a struggle every time. Alright, let's do the same thing we did before and fucking mallet them out. Now fuck. Alright folks, don't do this at home. I'm gonna try to fucking chisel it out. Give it a little bit. Fucking give, come on. This is the hard part about these fucking projects. It's just fucking getting the stuff. Ah! God damn it. There you go. It's off. It flew off, but it's off. I just realized I'm not even in the right fucking angle. Now hopefully that idea worked. And these fucking lifters can come out. Okay, so they have these, this rod here that keeps it from coming out. Put that here. There we go. Easier. Yeah. So just take those out all together. Now we're gonna take off the other side. Holy shit. This is taking longer than I expected just because stuff is on so tight. Okay, so yeah. Now they slide out. Where's the fucking O-ring? There's an O-ring that goes here. It needs to be exchanged, and it's actually still on here. Oh no, it's over here. In here, it's a yellow O-ring. And that one needs to be swapped out, so it's important to get the new gaskets.